Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GIF on Instagram story. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, let's just create an Instagram story. We can tap on your story right here to create Instagram story. And for example, I'm going to upload my photo from my gallery to be my Instagram story. Just wait guys, I'm selecting the photo. Okay, for example, I'm gonna go with this photo, so we can tap on the photo. Then if you want to add a GIF to your Instagram story, you can tap on the sticker button. You can tap on the sticker button right here, and you can simply tap on the GIF. Since we want to add a GIF to our Instagram story, the GIF option is right here. Then you're going to select the GIF you would like to add to your Instagram story. And for example, I'm going to go with this one. So we can just tap on the GIF. Then the GIF will be added to our Instagram story. Then we can drag the GIF to the part of the story that we want. And for example, I'm going to add it right here. And if you want to delete this GIF, you just need to drag it. Then you can drag it right here to delete it. And I'm just going to place it right here. Then we can tap on your story to post the story to our Instagram. And I guess that's how we can use GIF on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.